Kennedy car some way here. Wambo be di when dio be atem. This man went back home. Or the bushia for kotenasi or the birthday party. When dio be atem. He did not insinuate. He did not create only platform. Bia sa platform no. The omo yene say they are writing things. Kennedy only sa de be. Oh sa platforms way. Mama chro. I didn't want to say it, but make sure me mam kakribi mamo hu ade. Ba omi ahu. Dennis na shake chire. Mama chro. Sa platform way. Ma be full expose mamo hu de ba omi ye. Asa na be come ni Kennedy. Hey, this you see this platform? Me chro. Sa platform we na ewo Facebook DMB news editor. Miracle Aboagye na shake. On some guy be a friend no. After all these things, share the eba no. Yeah, ba be wurem na answer na be wurem no. June July Kennedy Agyapong say 2027 June July and na ye nyina birthday. Na answer na Rebecca and the MPP for na say membranka member. We will be 30 minutes more to end today's show. But afeni Rebecca chairman want to me and MPP Rebecca Kennedy Agyapong and MPP for asem. Me na me te wona me MPP for no me colleagues me am ne omo MPP from Kevin Assemwe bra na be chichirim wa me chichirim a nipa bi nti ase enti enwumre ye be chichirim fa June July a Kennedy Agyapong say bibi besi faka no bi also wo sika na untumi hwe nkofo edu achi every day you are lying dey dey bia wa bo obi mu a wona onfa list mran nkofo a wa bo a kontompumia obi o ye dabrabe mu obi o se owo 276 building, not a public place. Again, we didn't want to interview. So some need draw. No, come in draw. Obi a uko interview. Ubeka say you know anu nyina for ni intensuo. Wuti wiase nyina hwese Kennedy Agyapong ekoye donation. Sa nipa no onye famfu. Adwene da ne tim se da bia nipa nka se ono nko ana oye bibi. Na pa de contract ne ma no fi so nim nyansa. Say obeye press say na media ma Kennedy Agyapong so no to mfa meboa fu soldiers wo that to foam wo nyen sisi ano edru eye bibia wo se ye de wom now attend ye nyoma wo hu nyina against Kennedy Agyapong ene den me maka me MPP ni nyansafo most of me nyonko for me MPP for me Jimmy now asem we nyina ne saying near to krom ha na MPP for ya eko Afari hospital say Afari omukọ demonstration say NDC aban about power ND 2 years a year and 6 months muni ekoi sa aban no MBA Afari hospital na MPP tina aban 8 years omo MBA. Remember NDC ne see Afari hospital. Now Kennedy Agyapong did birthday and na sebio okoche ade okoye adoye. Then what happened was that there were journalists around who questioned or asked him about what he thinks about his party, his colleagues in parliament, what they did by going to Afari hospital in Kumasi, demanding that the hospital should be open or operationalized so that people in Kumasi and its environs can get healthcare or access to healthcare. Kennedy Agyapong, as a statesman, in fact, before he spoke, and this is where it gets very interesting, before Kennedy responded to the questions from the journalists, he made a statement or say, I am an MPP, but I'm going to speak as a patriot, as a Ghanaian first. And that is one thing that people did not pay attention to. Kennedy Agyapong on politics was anyoma we hu. And into na obe kasano. One go straight and say, let me answer this question. Okay, MP before ko Afari. I was saying ka ban BA, but before making statement no. Oka bibi or say me MPP ni, but me a Ghana ni, and I would like to speak my mind on this matter. Besides, get me the exact words he used, and I'll play the video here. Besides, don't worry. Kennedy responded to that question. No, baby, I know Ojina one. He was speaking as a Ghanaian first before he decided to bring in both political parties. Answer Kennedy responded to that question. No, he made Ghanaians understand some MPP ni. But when it comes to this matter, I am going to let Ghanaians understand some Ghana ni first. And when he started responding or answering that question, no, he did not basically base any answer on what the NPP did or did not do. In fact, when he was speaking, he made it clear that both the NPP and NDC, at the end of the day, are supposed to take the blame. All of us. And to be very honest with you, Kennedy Agyapong Asama Okaya, if you want to be very, very reasonable and rational, I think that Kennedy Agyapong, at the end of the day, was trying to sound more patriotic than political. Now, Mama Yanko tie Kennedy Asama Okano that day, and why and the whole of MPP, in fact, Mahamudu Bawumia communicators, from Dennis Miracle Aboagye to the last elephants, the last animals in the MPP, Mahamudu Bawumia release your moi today for the past 24 hours. Kennedy atema abesin. Then you ask yourself, okay, Kennedy Kasawiye no, as our reaction about no, what were you expecting Kennedy Agyapong to do as a human being? Now, Mumianko tie Kennedy. This is when he responded to Afari Hospital.
You know, I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. This hospital, NDC, it was started by President Kufuor. The locations and all those things, NDC came to start it. Whenever, when we came, I'm an MPP, but I have to tell you the truth. We're talking about Ghana and nobody. We didn't do anything. Read my lips. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I was the chairman for Defense and Interior. When we decided to go and inspect Afari, they stopped us. We didn't go. So I heard somebody talking 15 months. Has Afari Hospital been there for 15 months? We were there for 8 years. You didn't do it. Don't blink your eye. See, we are not doing politics. I'm speaking the truth. This is Ghana. Stop that. We will criticize NDC, we will criticize MPP. That's the only way to go. I was chairman. NDC started this. Why didn't you complete it? You were there for 8 years, you didn't complete it. When somebody comes for 15 months, then you have a problem. Please, give me a break. Ghana, we should love our nation and stop playing politics with everything and do the right thing for the country. And that is what I'm doing. You see, when I mentioned MPP, he was blinking his eye. Why do you want me to criticize NDC and leave MPP? When I know that both parties, they didn't do the right thing for the country.
When I know that both parties do not do the right thing for the country, why should I criticize or why should I not speak on this when I know that both parties did not do the right thing for this country? And in his opening remark, he made it clear, say, I am NPP. Let me tell you, it's about Ghana. Kennedy Agyapong did not put NPP on the spotlight. He did not basically decide, say, he's going after NPP. But Oma Mutiere say, don't think it's a MPP niti. Sasano no krene dawa menka. And at the end, I'll see the NDC and MPP, basically, when it comes to this project, we have all failed this nation. Now, the part where he was trying to make it clear was that when he was in power, when he was in parliament, he was trying to explain the time and more parliament, you know, this is what happened when I was there. And that because of what happened, you know, that is why I am saying, say, Yenny MPP for when we got the opportunity to be in power for 8 years, you know, and try. Because if we had tried more, finito. Kennedy Agyapong did not come to say, Bawumia Jimmy, Bawumia Nimnyansa, Bawumia to be the president, MPP near party phone. Kennedy Agyapong basically put the two political parties on the same platform and made it clear. Inti, a same way na Kennedy can ya. Kennedy Agyapong can we, you know. And the honest truth is, so many people, in fact, both NDC and MPP and the so-called statesmen, people in Ghana, they have made the same statement that Kennedy Meki in different language, different tonation. So why is it to say the NPP, Mahamudu Bawumia communicators, led by Dennis Miracle Aboagye, why have they decided to say they will insult Kennedy? Why have they decided to say, ya beshare di Kennedy atu otankuruwem na ye gu n'anim ase na ye didi natam na ya man looking like say Kennedy time Bawumia. Kennedy did not even mention Bawumia. Kennedy did not even insinuate to say asema okano it is directed at Bawumia. Kennedy made it clear, say, I have been a politician before and I'm still a politician. When we had the opportunity to even visit, and he was saying that in the context to say, Nansemu yan won ko for ko, but time ne wo power no, ne wo the opportunity to go, but ya man ho kwan. So at the end of the day, a dear sempa na Kennedy kan ya. A dear sempa na Kennedy kan was I interview ma. E bin si da, Bawumia release Miracle Aboagye and then the MPP communicators for them to be insulting this one. You know there yeah. Enkwara. Me with some small girl be a very small girl. The name pimples to crampo nyan every the name. On what the radio so asante because say Kennedy Agyapong nyini na adwene no sebio na adwene nya adwuma o arefie nti Kennedy hey akwara o start bu nsa enu 10 years pimples da ho the nim pimples and da ho the nim. That means she is still a kid. Ultimately radio so because or your Bawumia communicator because or your MPP nyako I buy you are sebio mimi fie me probia mani chichi toilet so kra memfa no sa akwara de ultimately radio so e ka say oh honorable there onu enyini nti na adwene no obodam on kai akwara ketekete na yanka nje so maame yakwase ansa na wate se aka so maame yakwase akwara ketekete hwe ne nimu pimples or the wo the hanky for the nima ne ho fin akwara we bia ne nantem no de what the hanky for na asia. Then because of politics a very dirty kid akwara ne ho fin hwe ne se gu nanum yellow just a bema crampo sha dan hwe nim ka say sebio ohun kan ye ana just say ne ho pon sisi ne ho so wo hwe ne nim pimple. She's just a kid. Now MPP for Bawumia crash the say koka asem we Kennedy. What did Kennedy say wrong in this interview? Adena Kennedy kaye yenti da e water ma afere asem we start here. Ade asem pa na Kennedy aka. Sa video ya me boy e was a sankwara we Bawumia ne Samira a releasing kwara we led by Dennis Miracle Aboagye for them to go. Kwa e boy ya oku ni papa yi boy ya nanim sa wo yi Kofi Ofosun cancer on the kuni papa and then the bush for the nkasa. He killed his father. Kofi Ofosun cancer on the kuni papa. A bush for the year the besima mi biso. Ofosun cancer the kuni papa. A win I ran as a dam or won't be away in a bamba pawuye when a mam sa boy son and starting a woody Kennedy atom. O Kofi Ofosun cancer, o ku papa ya kete. We bush for share meeting. A sima biso yaso na oku papa. Na nkofo we nyina ewudifo we etumi tena so obodi Kennedy atam Kofi Ofosun kansa on the kuni papa into we na insa dam owia NDC ni we the kuno we na mama nkokuma se oko de duro kogu ni papa nsem no kuni papa no be hye nkran owia o se anyese mentumi amana on the kuni papa. And all these people san kwasiafo we na nkwara me hye be reho is Adam say hey where have we got into politics? Enkwara totofefe enkwara omudros ndudu small kid enkwara they don't deserve say their names should be mentioned on bigger platforms like this. Now because of politics inti sankwara we di Kennedy atem say and Kennedy no honorable no onu nyiri nti na okohwa akwara say ekoyi ni papa picture be kire wa sa akwara ho yefa uhu od ba nanim na uhu akwara we ni atam ne papa ye de hwe wa uhu ni papa uhu akwara we papa. And these are the problems. And you ask yourselves, is this the party now? Mahmoud Bawumia say, "Sa party way, it is a party omo back together." Where in this party? Because you can see clearly, say Bawumia machinery, they have basically oiled the machine up to go after Kennedy. Say Kennedy Bowa cry, they will insult the guy. At the internet, sir. But yeah, Kennedy Agyapong nipa. Me, I'm not here to hold brief for Kennedy. Everybody knows me. Me Kennedy Agyapong, Makachen, I respect him. Whatever happened between us, me, I don't care. I've let it go. And hear me. And I know he's mature enough to understand that. But you see, this is politics. Kennedy can't some way here. Kennedy can't we wambo be di wendio be atem. This man went back home or in the bush and for Kotanasi or in the birthday party. When do be atem, he did not insinuate, he did not create only platform beer. Sa platform no. The omo yen say they are writing things that Kennedy only sa de be. So as far as I know, me who say Kennedy, oh sa platforms we. I mean sure, I didn't want to say it, but me chemo, me mam kakribi mo hu ade. Ba o mi you see Dennis Miracle Aboagye, sa platform we. Dennis the shake, my man, sa platform we. On your brand to maybe a full expose, my mom who dear about me. As I'm becoming no credit. Hey, this you see this platform, Mitchell. You see this platform. Sa platform winner our Facebook DMB news editor. Miracle Aboagye na shake. On some guy be a friend no. Boa moi Dakon. They are the ones behind us. Dennis Aboagye. Sa DMB news sa de na omon miracle build this platform. Yeah. Omo be 6. I'll come and show you all of them. Omo chat ni. Into that particular chat we I have one person in the group madam for DMB news editors or some group of people maybe 6 or so me editors. Almost send this fake news about Kennedy and they Miracle admin was our group with Miracle Aboagye. Yeah. So you see, this was the agenda against the CJ. It was said yeah, Miracle and the release documented the more group in them. So I'm gonna put it together. Good afternoon, team. I trust as well. There's a story on the Chief Justice. I will share it within the hour. Kindly capture on front pages for us tomorrow. This is what he does. Miracle Aboagye. This is what he does. Into we are also a group young friend People's Forum. No. Some editors be, and I know all of them. They are in the system. Into Ghana that day, Olidia Feno, Boa Madako Onye, the picture I can put it on the screen. It is Miracle Nashechri. Into all the things they are saying about the Chief Justice, news Miracle creates he creates them. Sign some of the trophy Kennedy who, sign some of the trophy GM who, sign some a Miracle Aboagye Nashechri. This is him. Anytime I take Ghana for say the kind of things we know about these people, we want them to blow themselves out because when they step in, they will not survive again. Miracle, DMB news editors, a hold on start to cookie, a Chief Justice John Damno. And some numbers of the two Chief Justices, a Miracle and start here. Yeah. I'm releasing that statement, And Bawumia is the one paying them 40,000 Ghana a month, every month, 40,000. About 40,000. Tete Ghana 400 million. Bawumia pays them every month. So you see what they are doing. The idea, Bawumia and money. Yes, I know what now. It is Bawumia. He is behind everything. He knows every single thing they do. He knows everything they do. Adibia Dennis Moye, no maybe on Facebook, sa pages in Dennis na managing. Yes, they carry the stories. They malign people. And the Chief Justice they were Dennis na it is him. Yeah. And I have almost chat more about 50 pages. But you see, I want Ghana to understand and say, when Jimmy, I didn't know don't pay attention to them because they finish and they will expose themselves. Me am publishing we am. Sir, People's Forum ask CJ directly. Miracle mo Bawumia mo na mo tro statement no. Bawumia na endorse ye and on mobile page and on chama mo editors into mo kwa DMB news editors. Make sure mo pages or mo running in you see all the pages. Almost stories in the same. In Tomu we almost say, oh, there is a government WhatsApp group. Ayomo na mati WhatsApp group or they send for. They put a story together against Franklin Kujo. Dennis in a creative story, no, and those the editors picked it up. Yeah, this is what they do. That's their life. That is the MPP. Now, but I'm sure Yanko any more Kennedy issue no. Now, Kennedy Agyapong, me who adia Kennedy can ya. Suddenly, Dennis Miracle Aboagye Bawumia man green light. They say, Omunko after Kennedy. They should just go. They should just go and insult the guy. It's from the day a guy was here on the birthday, and a miracle must set it up, almost reduce, almost edit, and they started insulting this man. Now, Kennedy Nipa. At this point, baby, what do you know? Or share the kind of people and in your mom in the past. Or share in summer, sa boys, no, Abronya Mukoka Mokachre Kennedy, Bawumia Shea Chire. Bawumia was supporting them. Bawumia never for once, on any said, this is not right. Mahmoud Bawumia sat by Niantia. And Arthur Kennedy Beckacher say, or call Bawumia catcher and said, dear Cosono, dear Nkran way, you know, Bawumia Sre, one can be because that is Bawumia. That is the Bawumia strategy of winning power. It's almost that is idea, you know. I know, say, for Kennedy Agyapong to come on TV to react, no, not just say, when him say, Bawumia na yes idea way. Because video I'm watching them. Mahamudu Kennedy Agyapong did not insult Bawumia. He did not go against the party. He did not say anything bad. Adia Kennedy kan ye nyina yenim dada. Why? After the hospital no. 1 year ya na besi wo. 1 year ya na besi wo. After the hospital no. Nansia na yesi. So what Kennedy said no. Dear partner Kennedy kan ya and the Aman Kwara way and the MPP for. Now you see all of them, they come out and they keep insulting a miracle. Miracle Aboagye kotena eye asempa. A Chief Justice, where Chief Justice, Mr. Get me the other one. Miracle kotena asempande trying to insult Kennedy. And everybody was like, now more Ediana Kennedy aye. Kennedy was basically trying to tell Ghanaians and say, this is what is going on. That's it. Now, iti omudi Kennedy atama kodu point me no oye nipa. He also had to react. Now, enena Kennedy so ebad on also TV so responded to Atenia Bawumia Nkwara and Bawumia aseti omo abso mumedino. So he had to also respond.
So na many honorable Ken Ohene Agyapong any komo ewo ewie. Honorable say what menka ewie ma memo aha emo akwaba emfamra dwumadi so. I hope say Nyankopon adom udi birthday ni wie ye adoya wo ye na wutie ni Ghana for eka ahye wo nkran se obesan ato akoso na waye ne chensampo.
Oh yes, because other hospitals are approaching me almost for me say almost going to buy more and give it to the hospitals. But the entire from you media the more percent Ghana ye the more my young can correct the unia ayabia now see unu men can over then I will pray what I say Ghana ye pese ye a can be first with ye now me are disappointed in the army of Babnasa the mimikwa ono no e chairman ono no e chairman omo misanity unu said that ben or the parliamentary select committee on defense and interior ekoi now on checking in minutes say she a friend bisaya o ka say omo aye to 85% then na ye ko wa o ma mi anko see media asem na aba NDC for mistake, MPP for mistake. And you Ghana, and you did not to a passo, and you who. Yeah, the only pa, Homo Yaria, Minka, Obi says, you didn't call China. The refer will be for India.
So,
what I say, Ghana, you pay. I can't bear your first with Biggie. Now, we are disappointed in the army of Babnasa. The mimikwa. Ono no e chairman. Ono no e chairman. Omo misanity unu said that ben or the parliamentary select committee on defense and interior ekoi. Now on checking in minutes. Say she a friend bisaya o ka say omo aye to 85.
so na
ye pese ye. Minka
Obi says here, receive back Kurana. Almost contract, you know, and the other people, at 10%. Ghana, maybe say, again, and people, they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess skinny beans all over the place. Now, when the country say, me my president, I mean, maybe free me sight, you never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not entity. Agenda 111, Mumisa Home, Saba Kokrom Ria. And sold obese contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing NDC for me, and
so
no, chairman. No, chairman.
All right, so it looks like, sir, we need to get the sound right. Besides, I need the sound right. The sound isn't right. All right, so my team said they are trying to get me good sound, but Mebo Kennedy audio, no. But sometimes people sound say, "Edie pa ne ma Kennedy Agyapong bufu isa." The ma Kennedy Agyapong bufu ni nyina say, "The omo ye a omo ko wi aba ni ma ba omia no." Still Mahamudu Baumia da ho hye boys wechi, girls wechi ma omo ye sade no. There's one thing I'm not to say here. Time na omo ye sa omo elections, before elections, the campaign no. Na omo mienu nyina eh dia omo followers, they were going back and forth. So we call internet and as a TikTok, who say they were having a back and forth conversation. But you could see say the Baumia people were very vicious. You could see say Kennedy people, no, they were always holding back because na yakabi bia to party mu say Kennedy die or the oni akoma Kennedy we to training into conform di chino. And you could see say time na omo ye campaign no omo no mo follow Kennedy no, most of them held back. Nyame bia na also mo kamu ntumi nka because they didn't want people to say aha see akaye Kennedy Agyapong in some ye ka fa no the supporters hear the same thing. And you realize yeah, the people who were really, really crazy went on rampage, who were basically insulting all the time. Kennedy and were very cautious because nipa no mudine chino na MPP for the can't tag no. Sa nipa we sebio wabodam sebio na adwiri nyadwuma sebio kasa anyhow. Eti Kennedy no na the message nyina na okọ na obanya ka che ne nkofo no se memo mo nya bibi e man nkofo krampo magin di se nipa mo pese mo painting se oye no oye enti you could see say na menya abote tie omo platforms pa na because MPP omo dey say Republicans o pese who se bi omo dwene you need to listen to them. Enti me I could say every free time bia no say me say MPP for a discussion I take my time and listen e ho na me so mo Jimmy enti when they were doing that their campaign to elect Omo flag bearer. No. Every time I took my time to listen to them on TikTok. And MPP for be shema na wunse samwa ebi di muechi. But I dare me analyzing who and say na Kennedy Agyapong supporters no every single day no so make kasa they were careful. Because you see na ba omianko for na create bibia to system nim say Kennedy dey waswan nko for no omo ya by heart omo ka say anyhow omo ye say it's not Kennedy for no so they were determined to win the elections and they wanted to sell Kennedy any omankasa want to say ye near party ne nya tutura for ye nka say anyhow emom na ba omianko for it is all called TikTok near there you could see say ba omianko for the di omatam sometimes to ti omo some say now they think about omian to me friend nko for ne omankasa said abi ateni na mudi nko for you know they can do the same but you could see say consistently that is what happened e could do point to be afei Baumia the boys no the green light to go ahead and go after Kennedy. E hon ye ko hu videos na boys we no e didi Kennedy atem.
Faka. No be also was can out me hwen go for do it. Every day you are lying. Dey dey bia wa bo obi mu awo na. Konfa list mran ko for awa bo awo. Kontompumia. Obi o ye dabrabe mu. Obi o se owo 276 building, not a public place. Again, we didn't want to interview. To some did throw. No comment throw. Obi a who interview. Ubeka say you know anu nyina for the intenso now we threaten via quiet drug business. Oni obi kasa no nipa ko na ya. Ye betia so. Who is this man? Menopause. Na ginimu enye clear. The man has shown to MPP say or doing a foot 24 years in parliament. How many companies do you have in Ascent? If you are or Timu, your friend is saying moving picking up. What if I go down on Chiaka? 257 houses now to be hotel. What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then out on oil. Extra now on rice. But because on you be any to soon be a jar with Timu, then people are set. Don't believe any Jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get it quiet. Then the boss, you're nearly too much, you're nearly too dark. He hates Baumia with everything. The family is my nearly too dark. Now, Kennedy, you're nearly too soon. Now, Sandy, by a nearly too soon, man, why don't go contest election? Near fine. When you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who did mad. Kennedy is about tribal and a banning Torah for Yehovah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you're more forgetting. What is credible about it? Credible people who are election. You know, be about to all your thoughts. Say. And then out on oil. Extra now on rice. But because on you be any to soon wouldn't be a jar with Timu, then people are set. Don't believe any Jandamo. Yeah, you and no, I go down or not. Get it quiet. Then the boss, you're nearly too much, you're nearly too dark. He hates Baumia with everything. The family is my nearly too dark. Now, Kennedy, you're nearly too soon. Now, Sandy, by a nearly too soon, man, why don't go contest election? Near fine. When you follow a madman, when you see a mad person, you identify who did mad. Kennedy is about tribal and a banning Torah for Yehovah. He's a hypocrite. Tell me what Honorable Ken has done for Ghana. Honorable Ken, you're more forgetting. Honorable, if you don't win, we don't care about you.
What will you do if you win the primaries?
What will you support him?
I said the way I Messia hundreds Papa na was singing saying that dear Okromano. Me demensa benkum na betina dino. Now greening in our good Debbie. Of where Bema? Me Dagota mo. Me want to send me poster number beside President Eddie. Me Dagotam.
But we ain't talk.
No, Massa, show.
And I'm saying Yantoka.
And you want what the Medibayo and
Yantoka.
And you are not a Kamasam.
And Yantoka.
Yeah. Would you say 645 million? Fakwa kontabuo mu mamo masenyeno. Nanado danko akofado ne ma o contract no. Atembe no wani nanado danko akofado. What is Kennedy ba bontin da krokra be ka say manya aduma o ECG na contract am ne yesi. And one so bien no and a minister when hwe full soldiers and now wona yedi aduma ma as a businessman as a party member wo gi sika na hemfafo na ade hwe omo 645 million December 1 million na ade bre MPP for wo si wiase nyina hwe se Kennedy Agyapong ekoye donation sani pa
Because I conscientize them.
But I'm not going to work for MPP. That means I will have a catch say. You don't put a number of blame will be. Me a bit. Me a bit. I said, yeah, me say me call election. Me say me make me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for MPP. That means I will have a catch say 10 cents of Canadian Japan. And now let me talk. Me, Uber Pepsi, Mimini Abronia, and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Atachia, and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrastapo, and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Chairmansa, and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Kota, and Kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put a next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm a
Because I see a conscientize the minds of omo involved no mo nyina eboa na etimi etu ase
afetie ni yi omo se me ye becha MPP for we couldn't find Galamsey because majority of executives nyina no mo ye Galamsey and also omo control e wo mo platform mi so wo mo na mo go country ni sa ya mo na mo be blame obi me ye becha said ye be me say me call election, me say me make me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for MPP. That means I will have a catch say 10 cents of Canadian Japan. And now let me talk. me over purpose mimi abronya and kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimi attachia and kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimi address tapo and kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimi chairman and kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimi kota and kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year the Makasa. You see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More mistakes you want to say Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Remember, I can say in Kura and you what 8 years ago. Well, who's in Kura? I didn't do the moment here. What 8 years? Well, who's in Kura? And now we'll be about 15 months ago. Who called you in Kura? My Ghana, you that the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, and you may be see Ghana. If you see what Tunisia are only a pay, it will be a politician now, peace out here when you scar Moncoso. Namia bitter. This time, Obia better tell me, I'm a Tebiachel. What do you mean? Abranya, who is it? Abranya, me. The man is to come and call the campaign. Or say, Bawomia, Echo Fat, it's a me, I'm not the tunnel, which I say, I'm the man. The man car first. And you know what choosing I no so was stationer. Masada Mighty. When you say from June 2027, MPP for minimum action will Ghana, you will be surprised. And what I am not afraid of any human being. I am Kubong, ne what body mammy, nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I can Agyapong. I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. You better boni pabaso. If you now could defend the LPP, Mr. Sapo, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever to Parliament, I can meet in the banana. Please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, Mr. Ferro, only reading in Mr. Ferro, Bupa. And please, I urge you, information you and son Wabba Casa. And yes, I cry out the first worker, Miss Matia Casa, Miss Robia, Ewagama, Biaso Mobra, and Chen. Oh, Papa, two crying, said you see, and respect you, love the doer, who will be to say, cook and set me, your pie me too. When even you're better. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, minimum action, and can set me, your pie me too. When even you're better. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, minimum action. You love the doer who will be to say, cook and set me, your pie me too. When even you're better. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, minimum action. And we're gonna have. You'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
You have a cat 10 cents of credit at the pump. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, Miss Romo happening. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027. You see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma yenyina no. Tieni. Omunko ready, omunko tie Kenny Rogers. Enyum your friend the gambler. Now omun samu nyansa. I know when to run and I know when to hit. Now, and before we are ready, they say July 2027, minimum action. And we're gonna have. You'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
You have a cat 10 cents of credit at the pump. No wait and see what will happen. Miss Romo, me catch Romo, Miss Romo happening. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, minimum. And before we are ready, they say July June, July 2027, minimum action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to and before we are ready. They say July, June, July 2027, minimum action. And Ghana, you'll be surprised.
You know what time it is. 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 You know what time it is.
Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong said June, July. You think he's stupid? Whoa. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong. Or see June, July. Whoa. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong. Or see June, July. W07 Kennedy Agyapong. Squadron leader Lieutenant Colonel Commander. Squadron leader Kennedy Agyapong. Whoa. Mo. I didn't win him there.
You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is.
Mo. Kennedy. July they say wow. July saying. Kama kakrebi bia August, nanka bia November. Nanka January baby na June they say na so to omo tumi nya campaign so. Mo MPP for mo Jimmy. Maka mo Jimmy. Mahmoud ba o mi na stable o. Na me na me ya say bitumu fo amonte. Guy we aso be kan Kennedy aso be kafa afere we ndi obi atem. When do be atem? A straightforward statement to any statesman will make. Ko for kra ka asem we bi. Say o kasa odi no kra. Enye say azan o ya, obekan the same way. E dey pa na ba omi awope. Mahmoud, what do you need? Why? What do you need? E dey pa na wope. What say party no poto? What again do you need? And I just don't get it. Adia into uye ba omi adia ono oyiri ye into udwe say party moko thank you to eguye you could not complete it right after thank you to and a chairman so we jai party no and a moko fa na dwie ni to kankan Jimmy photosynthesis and a kwasie edidi party and a mu Jimmy mu ho abedru hanne still ba you're not learning any lessons from this. You still keep on allowing this little kid encourage Jimmy for we miracle Aboagye kwasia Jimmy for nkora they know nothing about politics. Now you say if things go this way, you think you have a party by 2028? No. You will not have anybody here. Attach your general stage Eddie Kennedy attempts or say na adwini nya adwuma. Kennedy meaning nya problem nyina na because of attachia. Na Kennedy be protect attachia. Or say chairman supposed to general stage Eddie Kennedy Agyapong atem. And the shankwara way. Now shankwara bi omu finbi. Very dirty. Hey, small girls, dirty kids. Me say me nkraman chance omu didim sankwara way. I will not even give to them. Show many more pimples. Omu ni se mina pampo dware mo ho nte. Me who born dearfo on the whole or starting having menses say no 10 years akwara way. The one that who born menses. Odin tina dem na fan ni dum 3 minutes pe na no bon die na bon menses na won tie na mutium kan enkwara o hwe mo sin yellow space bi hwe mo fin na omo TV so didi Kennedy atem say han Kennedy onabo ne de on na agiri nya adwumenti on kai nyoma hey who born dog who actually born dog and all because bawumia na mas ankwara we chance. How did we get here? How did we get here? And still Bawumia does not understand. Hey, Yapon, you go ball. Ya dear, ye jinem. March number start here on enche 9. Ya shedding in I. Wow, need the ST watch never near church match row. Ya dear, Kennedy account or may date, but from my inside story no ebi be see by August Kennedy so mama dose ni kakra I say nyina MPP for ni nipa ni modomi into so obepa some other way be mama nya dose ni kakra na me chane kakra it Kennedy say kakra beba by August no or the kakra be soma de abreme and the medwum it I didn't there yaka say egu ni ese de preko ni atefofro I wa unu se me so me obi a me say Alan Chiramantin Alan me do na also do me no homo I hwe me ni echi a na wo hwe sibia me hana pompono kakra na me so me nyini kakra metine ebekom kakra nti me Alan pa nti Alan so me chiawo me chiawo pa mama Alan ndi party ni mo se keke mama Alan nko keke won we jimi fo nko so bon de party na ye edru Alan so na Alan de ma ekufu ado se mama chichide ne nko ro ye de num wigu asum ana chichide gira say Alan after me it is your turn afa ebedru Alan so a yakofa eyeden abongire aba ba omia onka party no yede be shemu and I started di Alan atem. That was the first time I team mixed tribe or Ghana. Na me nim sa Alan. Sana oye as half Asante, half Infantini. Na me nim sa Alan in Kofone town. And I started Alan said about me Infantini. And I was hey, nipa nye di Alan kujo Chiramantia ye. The money I say me shy be hu Alan woman. Alan a nice guy. Me so Alan pa. Yeah. Heaven say, so me koja Alan no do. I'm going to papa ba. I'm going to manembra. I'm going to Kevin over papa. So Alan, yeah, political father Alan come because Alan de me send pa nice guy. Inti eweshia ochina uja kwa enko baby our party negu. My name is Kevin Koberi Taylor. My production team they are called the Ghosting. We will be back on Monday 4/4 and the MB for the Thomas Afrebe. Monday 4/4 ejirim yebejum amagana fo hunu kure no. Baby o 2/4 say to me na me chiao ewie me hu say obo golf obo white na na de. Me hu say na wo ye to bi a wu nsuo na na mu da ho. Me hwe na otumfo ekoto bi o Canada ena omo kire ni nsuo bi nsu tene nsuo no ohum otumfo hwe mo say there's very clean water and say oh yes we keep it very clean so nice and I'm also otumfo point it water looks very blue and I say yeah we here that's what we do we try to protect our environment so wow nti mo say otumfo was very interested in that conversation senior Canada nsuo no eni atia kwa just say he was very happy and I really I love otumfo that I do homo and I know you come back home safely near Mbechichira Santimai me don also do me chen hine I'm out have a wonderful night yeah wo you know what time it is you know what time it is you know what time it is you know what time it is
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it.